bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, friends. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesiota, bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesiota. My phone number is on the screen. As you are watching me, you see the phone number 08054749455. Yes, I want to tell you how you can use jute leaves. Ewedu, Yoruba call it ewedu. You know this type of leaves. Our people, especially Ibadan, Oyo State, Ogun State people, Ondo, even I can say throughout the Yoruba speaking states, they like ewedu. They used to eat, they can prepare to eat fufu, amala, eba, tuwo. Some people are used to for tuwo in Awori land. This is jute leaves, ewedu. But apart from using it as cooking leaf that you can use to prepare your soup, apart from cooking soup, you can use it to receive favor anywhere you go. You can use this jute leaf to cure your ulcer. You can use this leaf for your skin. If you have bad skin, get treated. I will tell you the secret today. This is Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì Tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin original. You are watching me today. I'm greeting you. Get seated. You will hear how to use jute leaves. Don't forget, I told you in my past video about this root. This is a root. This root, you want to know the name? It's in African power. African power. African power. This root, it can reduce your sugar level. Within 1 week, when you are using it, you can use it, put it inside hot drink. You can put it inside 5 liters keg of water. You cut it into pieces. Put it in 5 liters keg of water. When you cut it, put it inside 5 liters keg. Then add clean water. Put it on it. The second day, you bring it to drink it. After 1 week, go and check your sugar level. It will reduce totally. You need to check again, because if it is too low, it's another problem. It's another problem. If sugar is too low, you will be advised by a doctor to be drinking minerals so that it can rise again. You always complain your immune system is low. Even when you are using capsule, it cannot work for you. Yes. But if you are using this, you put it inside your drink. You use it to boost your immune system. It is when your immune system is low that you cannot perform as a man. You can't perform as a man. Your wife will complain. Your wife will complain. Your wife will not like you again. This is the solution. Many people are buying the books. They are buying the rules. There are some people, they cannot get the rules. But the problem is that they cannot spend money. But because within Nigeria only, if you tell them the price of courier service that we deliver for them, we can get as many as possible for you. But because some people are stingy, I will look for it. I never get time. Some people are asking for Pandoro, that African sausage. But when you tell them the courier service price, they say, I will call you later. Because this thing now, if you want to sell 1 kilo of this one to other states within Nigeria, I'm not talking of overseas, courier service will charge for it. And we are using a very good courier service. The most popular courier service in Nigeria. We are using this courier service. You get it? The name of the route, I will not tell you. It's in this book. If I tell you, some people will not appreciate. They will not appreciate. If I tell you again, they will say this one is foolish. Some people do appreciate us because when I taught some people how you can use stone for sex in the dreams, spiritual husband, spiritual wife, some ladies, they call me, they ask for account number, they paid for appreciation. They told me how they have been carrying sacrifice Egorita, sacrifice to junctions, sacrifice load to different junctions. Now they had 2 or 3 of them advised me that I should put a link where some people can send donation to me. That because the way they appreciated the thing, other people may like to contribute. So for this channel now, at the bottom of this video, you will see a link where you can contribute your own quota if you think I'm helping the society. But some people will just say, he's selling books, he's selling honey. No. But some people do appreciate some of the free teachings. So today, I want to teach you how you can use jute leaves. This is a way to. If you have bought my book before, this is only as a medicine. How you can use jute leaves is there. A way to. You will get some leaves. You will remove the leaf from the stick. You remove the leaves. Grind them. You can use grinder. You can use grinder. You can use stone. You can use mortar. Elefodogun, efololo. Mix it with your soap. The soap of your choice. Anywhere you go. This jute, when you prepare it as a soup, it's always drawn like this. People will draw near you. They will like you. They will give you what you want. Fẹ́ gbà òdúdú, fẹ́ gbà ló pupa, fẹ́ gbà green card, fẹ́ gbà yellow card. You want green card, yellow card. Wherever you go, they will like you. Wherever you go, they will ask you, can I help you? What can I do for you, sir? What can I do for you, ma'am? They will not ask you, what are you looking for? When you go to a certain place, they are asking you, what are you looking for? You know, the problem is already there. But when you go to a certain place, can I help you? What can I do for you? You know, you are already relieved. Yes, you are a driver. When you go to a checkpoint, they ask for your paper. Before they open three of your particulars, they look at your face. Go. There are some people, when they prepare their paper, they will check everything finished. When they check everything, yes, your driver license, your insurance, your sea caution, fire extinguisher, park well. When you are park well, you know the problem. You just say, before they open 2 of your particulars, they say park well, they're in trouble already. Later, they check the paper correct, they check fire extinguisher, they say sea caution, say over speeding. But when there's love in your body, they look at you. If there's no hatred in your body, they look at you. As they are checking the paper, it's the face they are checking. They say to like this. Your picture is not there, but immediately, before they open 2 sheets, go. And there's some people say they are on the road. If they use something for their body, they won't get problem on the road. But there are some people, they will arrest only 1 motor throughout the whole day. Nothing for them. Ògbẹ́ni sọ̀rọ̀. Mo mọ̀ fo látàrí ọ̀dà lẹ́mọ́tò ẹ̀yọ kan ní ọ̀rá kàkà mọ́ ló fo. When your other people are getting àgbẹ̀fi ògbẹ́ni sọ̀rọ̀. Mọ́tò ẹ̀yọ kan ló mọ̀ látàrí ọ̀dà lẹ́ yọ báyà rẹ̀ dénú ẹ̀rùn kórìíra. There are some people. Conductor, give me something for this, my brother. When it is their turn, the driver will say, conductor, yeah, give me something for my brother. Even the passenger will be talking, say, hey, well, no, it's my neighbor. It's my co-tenant at Agege before. Yes. You want green card, you want yellow card? Go say your no. Don't forget all these my books. You can get them online. You can get my books online. You are not in Nigeria, you are in London, you are America. We can send the books to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. Email or Gmail. Back to this thing again. You will get these leaves. Get them. Get the leaves. Mix it with your soap. Take your bath with it every morning. Every morning, except Wednesday and Saturday, that is not good to take your bath with soap. It's a spiritual soap already. Whenever you have made this type of thing with your soap. But some people, they say they cannot get fresh jute leaves. You cannot get fresh one. If you can get the dry one, powder the dry one. Put it in your cream. If you get coconut oil, you can put it in your coconut oil. Anytime you put it on your face, you reach your shop, you get money. People will patronize you. Your old friends will call you. Your old friends will call you. When you reach your shop, you are sitting, nobody come to price your products. It's a problem. This is another secret for you. And for those who get ulcer, if you prepare these jute leaves, don't add pepper, don't add palm oil. These ordinary jute leaves, prepare it as a soup. You can have small potas. Small potas. Take it within 3 days. Take it on empty stomach. Your ulcer will disappear within 1 week. Mark my word. Go and try it. Many people are trying it. Don't forget to watch my sister station. Kenny Show television. It's another sister station. Kenny Show. You will see it on the screen. Kenny Show. It's another TV station. It's a sister station. You will still meet me there. I taught people many things there. Some people, they are following me to that station. But some people, they don't have time. So don't forget, the one you are watching now is Baba Oloyin Original Television. My phone number is 080-5474-9455. You will see it on the screen. You want to buy my products, you can go to Mushin, number 4 Alukularo Street, Mushin. Number 4 Alukularo Street, Mushin. Mushin bus stop, House of Alukularo Street. At Ikoto Egbe. Just ask for Sele bus stop at Egbe. Sele bus stop, take Maruwa to Agodo Market. House of number 2 Famous Street. You will see Mama Mubo, Mrs. Taiwo, Iya Mubo there. Number 2 Famous Street, Agodo Market, Egbe. At Bariga, go to number 36, Ilaje Road. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. Our products are there. You can get the boost and the honey there. And Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. You see my products there. Number Baba Oloyin bus stop, Osuke Road. Just ask for Adebisi from Yaneyesi. That then you are going to Baba Oloyin office. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.